What is up, guys? It's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Martian Media 7. Today in this video we are going to see 5 different expressions that you can use in your common activity, in your daily phrases or your daily activity. Those are 5 different expressions that you are going to use. Remember, it is important for you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. It's been a long time since we guys practiced, so now that I have a few comments and you guys are asking different expressions, so we are going to see those 5s today, and probably the next time we are going to see more. Without any further ado, so let's get started. The first expressions that we are going to learn today is break a leg. Break a leg, you use that one, for example, when you are talking to your friend. So break a leg is another way to say good luck. Good luck to your friend. When you are saying good luck to your friend, instead of saying that, at the end of your conversation, you can say, break a leg, buddy.
No hablo inglés.
Wow! The second expressions that we are going to learn today is to sleep on it. To sleep on it is to think about it. You know what? Next Saturday, you're gonna need to go with me somewhere. For example, in a shop or wherever it is. So before you even say, okay, no problem, you know that you have to verify your agenda to see if it is going to work for you. So in that case, you said, okay, no problem, I'm gonna sleep on it, or I am going to think about it, okay? So when you think about something is when you are trying to decide if it is going to be good or not for you. So this is the second expressions that we are learning today. And the third one, before I even give it, if you are new to this channel right now, stop the video and go click on the subscribe button and share it to all your friends because it is important to have the channel growing. Okay, let's continue. The third expressions that we are learning today is it's not my cup of tea. When you say it's not my cup of tea, it means that you are not interested. For example, somebody is coming to you and say, hey, I want to offer you this today, and probably this is something that you're gonna need to pay for. And when you look at it and you say, I don't feel like I need it. So in that case, you said, okay, it's not my cup of tea. Somebody is talking close to you and they are trying to get you involved in that conversation. The only thing that you have to say is, it's not my cup of tea. That means I am not interested in what you're saying right now.
Game over!
Is this what you're looking for?
No!
The fourth expressions that we are going to learn today is hit me up. Actually, you can use that one in many other ways when you are talking to somebody. But today, I am going to focus more on that one. That means when you say hit me up, you say text me. For example, you are talking to your friend and you were close to them and we were talking all the way together, and now it's time for you to leave. So before you even leave, if you have something interesting to tell them or if they have something important to say to you, the only thing that you would have to say is, hey, don't forget to hit me up. Don't forget to hit me up. That means don't forget to text you. Hit me up means text me. This is the 4th expressions that you guys are learning today, and it is important that you can start writing it in your notebook so you can keep practicing it and tell it to your friends so they know it too.
You are going to pay for that!
We are at the end of the video and we are going to see the last expressions, which is the 5th one, catch up. Catch up is another way to say see you later. For example, as we are conversing right now, talking right now, so after I finish with this video, the only thing that I would have to say is catch up. That means I will see you later. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. It was all for today. So remember that you guys have to study those 5 expressions. If you guys want more, all the way down in the comment section below, you can also do a comment and tell me what you need to know more so we can keep practicing English together. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch up.